In the all-new Lexus NX, you'll feel more reassured with technology that never stops working for you. Lane Tracing Assist helps you stay safely in the center of the lane. Lane Departure Alert warns if you drift out of lane and takes preventative action. The pre-collision system detects pedestrians night and day and bikes by day. Intersection Turn Assist detects oncoming vehicles when you're turning at intersections. The Front Cross Traffic Alert warns you of approaching vehicles that might be hidden from view. The Blind Spot Monitor detects vehicles in adjacent lanes that are not visible in the door mirrors up to 60 meters behind, and alerts you if you signal to overtake. Lane Change Assist ensures you overtake smoothly and safely when traveling with cruise control. And Overtake Prevention ensures you don't inadvertently overtake a car on the wrong side. The NX is always looking out for you. The digital rear view mirror gives you a better view when you're carrying a high load or when the weather is poor. And while reversing, the NX monitors the area behind the car. The digital panoramic view monitor gives you a 360-degree view right around the car. Road Sign Assist detects road signs and displays them in the multi-information display and warns you if you exceed speed limits. And to keep your eyes on the road, there's a head-up display. In traffic, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control safely adjusts your speed to that of the vehicle in front, making driving more relaxed. Advanced Park autonomously parks the NX at the press of a button. And Safe Exit Assist automatically stops you opening the doors when there's traffic approaching from behind. The all-new Lexus NX. Feel more in every moment.